So we're here at CES 2010 at Pocketbook, and you have these cool, very compact 5-inch e-readers.
They're called Pocketbook Reader 360, and the reason they're called 360 because they can do this. They can change orientation of the text.
That's cool.
To 360 degrees.
Any side you want.
Yeah, and I'm using it in New York Metro, NYC subway, and I'm flipping pages with my right hand because I'm a righty, obviously. But imagine somebody's lefty. Now he takes the book into his or her left hand and flips pages. Oh my God, he doesn't want to flip.
Yes.
It flips. It's a little bit tired because we're so busy here at CES.
There's inside. There's what's called a
cover.
There you have the tilt.
Oh, it's a G sensor.
Yeah,
it's called G sensor or accelerometer.
Do you sometimes calibrate it, or it's automatic?
Actually, you need to calibrate it in the beginning before use.
Yeah.
First time you put it on a flat surface, and you got it calibrated.
So that's pretty cool, and it's small and it fits in the pocket.
Like here.
Yeah.
Oops.
So you always have your book with you all the time.
But you need one very nice thing is that we have a cover. And nobody else has cover like us.
So it's just like it fits behind and in front, and then you protect the screen and it never gets scratched.
Yeah. And the color could be also white. We call it ivory. And this book has very nice feature. It turns pages. Oh. Okay.
Yeah. So you just tilt it to change the page.
Yes. This one probably
is like a new firmware feature, right? Just
Look
like
at
that. Cool. So if you don't, because when you click, there's a little sound.
Yeah, the same thing.
Yeah.
Does the same thing.
So you can
when you click, you hear the click.
Yeah.
And when you are in silent ambience in your bedroom.
Yeah, with somebody else?
With somebody else, and somebody else doesn't want to hear the click, click. You can do this.
Cool. And so you're updating the firmware sometimes?
Yeah, we are updating firmware almost every month, every 2 months. Yeah. And you can go to the any of our websites like Pocketbook UA or pocketbookreader.com and just download your new firmware upgrade.
Cool. And can we check some of the other new devices?
Sure. Let me put 2 books in my pockets.
This doesn't exist.
Oh, we're very busy here. We have obviously 360. We have Pocketbook 302, which is so tired that it lost its energy. We need to charge it properly.
Booting right now?
Yeah, it's booting right now.
So we can check that. It's very interesting.
Yeah.
How long is the boot? Oh,
very quick. Okay. That's very quick.
So it means you have very optimized software in it.
Exactly.
Is it based on Linux?
Yes, it is based on Linux, and it has touchscreen, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and very interesting thing. It's got USB host, and you can connect your keyboard to it and your light to it.
Your what?
Light, USB light, a little, reading light. No, I'm not
This
kidding.
is awesome.
Absolutely.
So Wi-Fi. What do you do with the Wi-Fi?
How you connect to your home or office or whatever network and go to internet to one of the bookstores which is already like pre-installed here and download your books.
It works?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right now it works in Ukraine and Russia. It's not working in the US, but it will be working in 1 month's time.
When you have you need partnerships with the books?
We actually open open company. We will have partnership, but we'll not lock ourselves into one.
You can have thousands.
Yeah, you see our slogan: freedom of e-reading.
So you're not like.
Yes, we're not like
Amazon, where they control everything.
Yes.
Here you open, right?
Yes, we're open.
So do you want to support like blogs? Can you read blogs over the internet, Wi-Fi?
Sure, you can download. You can copy the blog or RSS the blog.
You have that now feature or not yet?
We have. You can RSS news.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that works.
That works. This is the book, obviously.
So let's go back in the menu and check it out then.
Hello.
The swipe for.
Somebody need to teach me how to do that.
Yeah. It's right there. but could we go back to the menu
Yeah, sure.
and check the? So you actually have the RSS feature right now.
It's yeah, but it's empty right now. It's not kind of
You
not.
need to configure it or something.
Yeah,
So when is this one going to be available?
March in the US.
March.
Yes.
So it's still under development, right?
Yeah, no, I mean it's ready.
It is ready?
Yeah, it is ready.
But there are features that need to be fixed or not in the bugs or no bugs.
Probably me who needs to be fixed because I just took this book, maybe see it for the not the first time, but for the second day. They just brought it from Ukraine. Yeah.
Cool. So, but I mean, in theory, you could have so many features. If you have Wi-Fi, you could have not only RSS, you could have Google Book downloads.
Yeah.
You could have Gutenberg direct downloads. You can have
Yes.
Google Reader, Fast Flip, and all these Google Fast Flip for magazines. There's many opportunities right there.
Oh yeah, and so much thing to work on. And these are our partners from Netronix, the company with which we made
Yeah.
we created a new joint venture. And we declared about that yesterday. I mean,
And that's a
we are
big,
big event.
it's a big, now you're the biggest in the industry, kind of. The partnership, it makes you very interesting.
It makes us become one of the top 5 in ebook readers industry.
That's cool. Okay,
That's
thanks.
cool.